Driven by his passion to be a good father and to strip away all lies and myths from the world, Isaac Newton came up with his first revolutionary idea, that objects are attracted to each other. That larger objects attract smaller objects. His idea was that the sun, because it was large, caused other objects to spin around, and he proved it first by hanging a ball from a string.
I'm watching you.
Yes, Archbishop. From the ball, he had pierced in the ball a pencil with a lead in it, and it was on a paper. In fact, he invented the first spirograph. And he swung the ball, and as it span, it made elliptical motions around and around on the paper. Do you see, Archbishop? It's not circles.
So what you're saying, then, that the ball moves as a result of its attraction to the Earth itself?
I do. That's my belief. You see, because the Earth is uneven, the Earth is not perfectly spherical.
And?
Because it's uneven, it causes an uneven of motion in the objects around it. That's my first theory. We're still working on it.
That's completely harebrained, please!
I'm just putting it together right now. It's about elliptical motion and acceleration. Because the elliptical motion is caused by the acceleration of the far end of the ellipses and the deceleration of the near end of the ellipses.
That may be so, Newton, but there's something you haven't considered.
What's that, Archbishop?
And why is it that these so-called planetary bodies, as you call them, made by God! These planetary bodies, why do they not fly off into space? Because God has attached them. For instance, take the cannonball.
Yeah.
That is not made by God, and so it falls to Earth, does it not? Its trajectory when fired goes and goes and goes and goes, and then it falls upon the land, does it not?
Indeed, but if you look at the trajectory of a cannonball, sir, as you well know, it does not go in a perfectly circular motion. It flies almost in a straight line and then falls rapidly. If it was allowed to keep going, it would make an ellipse. It is a parabolic motion, sir.
Blasphemy! Blasphemy!
Please. It isn't any more blasphemy than it was 200 years ago when Galileo posited that the Earth wasn't the center of the solar system.
Well, we had an argument about that.
I know.
Honest to God, may take some time to pardon Galileo.
And there's no question the Earth is only 5,000 years old. Everybody knows that.
It's clearly part of that one. I'm sure you'll get a little pocket though. Very small, printed by Gutenberg. Oh yes, it's on page 95.
Then tell me, sir. It's in the book of numbers, I see.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's a little thing alive. A parabolic motion for a ball. I don't know this one. You let an object fall. You can't tell where it goes. And all that ball might roll. That ball might go astray. Till your hair turns grey.
This is what I see and hear, a lesson about geometry queer. If you believe that motion is not controlled by God, you will break the laws herein. Heresy is the ultimate sin. You will be burnt at the stake, so say the laws of God. The laws,
We don't give them applause. The laws, that it says here. The laws,
studied the Bible in college, as all of us had to do, and I don't remember that passage in the Book of Numbers.
It's in the both passage, it's often left out.
I think you added it, Archbishop. Have you been adding to the Bible?
Ridiculous. Well, maybe a little. I had to. Henry VIII forced my hand. Well, my predecessors had it anyway.
Archbishop, it's my belief that God created Mass. And that Mass...
True, Mass, and we pray every time with that. Mass is quite simple. Peter
Look at this apple, Archbishop. Look at this apple. Yesterday, while I was sitting underneath a tree, this apple hit me on the head.
Apocryphally, yes.
No, it's an apple tree.
Right.
Hit me on the head. And I thought to myself, why? Why did objects fall? Why not just stay suspended?
Why not, darling? Why don't they stay suspended?
It's quite fun, do you see?
Yes. My goodness, it's left, oh gosh, it's left 5 little dents. It must be delicious.
You know, when I'm at school, my accent's totally different.
Yes. You have to be more fierce with this.
Yes, that's right. And myself, I'm with you.
I know. And you're all North American.
Terribly attractive. That's why we have 6 children.
North America.
Oh, yes.
Plymouth. Well, that's about it, really.
Yes.
Plymouth like rock.
I was sitting underneath a tree and the apple fell on me.
Oh, yes, darling.
And I had an epiphany.
Oh, beg your pardon.
Oh, I did. The apple. The apple. Fell on my head. The apple fell down from the sky. It fell on me while there I lie. It fell on my head.